we're leaving. I'll make a video when I leave. This may be a long trip in the plane.
Ano kaya ayusin ko yung headset?
Just wait. Hello. Just wait. Hello. Hello.
Sabihin mo sandali ayusin ko yung headset.
Sandali lang daw.
Nabubuhol eh.
Kausapin niya? Hindi. Tay, wait lang. Hello? 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 Dito. Nilalakad ko sa sarili ko. Gusto ko i-record sa sarili ko.
No, hindi ka na makakain. Alisin ko na to.
Wait. Wait. Wait talaga. Wait. Apa? I was just thinking. Hindi. Ano? Kung may slide talaga, check ko. Okay. Tapos mainit pa rin ako doon. Dahil slide pa man ako doon sa ano eh. Doon sa parang ano. Ngayon, sa parang park. Nagkaganon pa rin ako eh. Kung saan tayo, yung may kotse tayo, tapos nag-jogging tayo. Ano yan? You still remember that? Kakausapin niyo po. Bye, kakausapin ko yung si nanay. Hindi. Bigay ko na. Nay.
Pera.
Oo nga. I talked to my father. I talked to my father.
Nilabas ko ng jacket. Mahirapan na kami.
Do you see that?
Mahirapan na ako.
I see something. Tell me if you see that. I see something in my camera. Wait. No, it's still there. So it's the camera, I think.
Saan?
Yep. I'll talk to my father. Now my father is talking. Now my father is talking to my mother. So wish me luck. I'll just do another video when I get there. it's gonna be a long trip in the plane now. And I just miss my father so much. But I'm gonna meet my tita.
Para tumayo kami.
And then and I'm gonna record because they have internet. And then just left. So I went to the airplane
36.
one in the first day, and it was fun. And this is my second trip in the airplane again. So wish me luck in my another adventure in the plane.
Jacket lang daw.
See this?
Yung mga maliit na bago kahit
It's my teddy.
saan.
I just love turtles. And if you want to see the cat video that I made, go check it out. So I'm gonna trip in the another community, and then we're gonna and then I'm gonna vlog there because I think it's cool there.
Ito nga eh. Ito nga eh.
So
Ano naman,
goodbye. I'll make another video of this. It's just part 1. Now it's part 2 next. So goodbye.